Hey Darren, let's take a look at building some pivot tables. So I just have a table of data here. My records are in rows, my fields are in columns. It's supposed to be a publisher's um, set of data about different books. Okay, so I'm going to go to the Insert tab and I'm going to choose the Pivot Table command. I have my data all ready to go. In the little window, I'm going to ask it to select or to build a new pivot table based on the range of data that I already have. So I'm going to, and it's going to place it in a new worksheet. So I'm going to click OK. It gives me the blank pivot table ready to go. I choose the fields that I want to have appear in the pivot table. So I had a field called discipline. I'm going to click, hold it, and I want the disciplines to appear in rows. So I'm going to drop that there. Those are all of the different disciplines of the books. So a book applies to aging and death, or a different book is in the criminal justice discipline. So that's how that works there. And then maybe I want like the edition of the book to appear in columns. So I'll click and drag it there. Well, that maybe wasn't the best data. Let's say I want to remove a field. I'll click it to deselect it and have it be removed. That one didn't work out quite right. Maybe not edition. Let's try copyright. I'll be honest, I didn't look at the data that well. Okay, so I have different copyright years here now in my columns. So then I need some values to be in the middle. For example, maybe we could do units sold. So I'm going to click units sold and I'm going to drag it to the values box and release it. And there are the number of units sold by discipline, by year. So that's why pivot table is really good, is because you have the intersection of those two data points with the grand totals along the side and along the bottom. Okay, what else might you need to know? You might want to filter data. So for example, back up, I could take addition, I could drag it to the filters area, and then maybe I only want to see those books that are first edition books. I don't know, whatever. That's how you filter, and click OK. So that's basics of pivot tables. Let me know if you have any questions.